What if newbie, no work experience? Paano sagutin yung tell me something about yourself? Konting changes lang. Yung sentence na about past work, papalitan natin ng kung ano yung pinag-aralan mo. Pero kung meron kang unofficial work, unofficial na trabaho, yung part-time na trabaho, kunyari, meron kang kamag-anak or mommy ng kaklase mo dati, may business sila, nagbantay ka ng tindahan, nag-staff ka dun sa kainan nila, nag-online seller ka, pero hindi online seller tawag doon pag interview ha. Online seller, tayo-tayo lang. Pero yung pag-interview, wag online seller gagamitin mo. So any unofficial work, volunteer work, nag-assist ka sa church, tulong ka sa school, nag-gym ka, anything na kahit unofficial work experience, pwede mong i-bring up yon. Pero kung wala talaga, as in zero, talk about your school. I studied, ito yung course at name of school. Kung high school, I graduated high school from pangalan ng school. So, diretso ka na sa I spend my free time, skills and interest para may mapag-usapan kayo.